Hi guys, so today I want to film this video. I finally got my Beautycon box in the mail. Well, I got my Beautycon tickets in the mail. I got the Beauty Insider tickets. Here's the box that it comes in. 2-day hauler package, which was $200. It says it's a Beautycon experience curated for our fellow shopaholics. You get in 2 hours early, so therefore you get in at 10 o'clock. You have a special VIP check-in area to get you in the door faster. A free VIP swag bag stuffed with over $200 worth of beauty products. So yeah, so I decided to get this package because I was really there more so for the shopping. I'm a very, quiet kind of person, so the social part wouldn't have really been for me. So when you get the box, it comes with this little sleeve on it. Just slide it off, and here are the tickets. I got 2 of them, one for me and one for my sister. So on the inside of the box, it says, "Take me with you, #Beautycon NYC." And the wristband comes on this page, this little box top. And then I have my sister's in here. It comes with a red lipstick by Revlon that says "Live Boldly," and it's in the shade Shinomenon, and it looks like it's like an orangey red. I'll swatch it after. And it has a patch, something you can put on your clothes. I wish that they gave me either 2 separate boxes or 2 of everything, since I did buy two tickets, so I could at least give my sister hers. So I'll probably end up giving her my stuff. And there's some stickers in there that says "Rule Breaker, I love Beautycon, you don't need lipstick, lipstick needs you," and a little flyer that comes in here. It's a Beautycon New York Festival. It has the date, April 21st through the 22nd at the Jacob Javits Center. And it's like a little, if you can see it, it's like a little poster. And it's the instructions on how to activate your wristband. So I'm trying to hurry up because my camera's dying. So let me open up this lipstick. Try and get it open. Okay. Oh. So this is, it's nice and pretty. It's in gold. So I'm going to swatch it on my hand. So it's, yeah, an orangey red. It's nice and pretty. So yeah, comment down below if you plan on going to Beautycon, and I look forward to seeing you guys there. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. Talk to you guys later.